Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets that make life a whole lot easier. From prepping ingredients to perfectly toasting your breakfast, these gadgets will revolutionize your kitchen game. Plus, you can find links to all the products in the description below, so stick around and let's get started. Starting off with the Mueller UltraToast 4-slice stainless steel toaster. This isn't your average toaster. It toasts 4 slices at once and has 6 browning settings for the perfect toast every time. Whether you love bagels, waffles, or bread, this toaster has you covered.
It has a compact and beautiful style. The tray comes out for easy cleaning. Fits easily with any kitchen style and has 6 heat settings. The extra long and wide toasting slots make it perfect for toasting bagels and thicker slices of bread. Whether you're making a quick breakfast to go for yourself or you're entertaining with family and friends, what you can create in the Mueller toaster is amazing. Mueller.
Next, we have the Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. This 15-piece set is made of premium silicone and stainless steel, heat-resistant and non-stick, ensuring you'll have the right tool for any cooking task while protecting your cookware. Need a versatile set of bowls? The mixing bowls with airtight lids set is perfect for mixing, storing, and even serving. These stainless steel bowls come with airtight lids, so you can easily store leftovers without any hassle. For healthier cooking, the YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer is a must. It's great for evenly coating your pans, grilling, or adding a finishing touch to your salads. No more overusing oil, just a fine mist for healthier dishes. Blending sauces and soups is made easy with this powerful immersion blender. It's compact yet mighty, giving you smooth results without transferring hot liquids to a standing blender. Perfect for quick and convenient cooking.
Designed with your home and kitchen in mind, the comfortable grip and one-touch operation makes your labor of love smooth and easy. There's an ultra-sharp 4-point stainless steel blade and an optional turbo button that lets you choose regular or powerful high-speed blending. The special splatter-proof head makes the process deliciously mess-free. Cleaning is a breeze. So enjoy the smells and flavors that make a house a home. Choose from a variety of colors, the one that's truly you. Peach Street, welcome to the neighborhood.
Cutting apples is a breeze with the extra-large apple slicer. In one motion, it cores and slices your apples into perfect pieces, great for snacks or baking. With a larger diameter, it's ideal for big apples and makes prepping a lot quicker. Elevate your seasoning game with the FORLIM Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. These automatic grinders are easy to use. Just tilt, and freshly ground spices come out instantly. Perfect for one-handed cooking. Boil, poach, or make omelets with ease using the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs, so you get perfect results every time. Ideal for busy mornings or meal prep.
Egg cookers. Hi, I'm Clay with Dash. Cooking eggs with our egg cookers is super easy, but I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks on how to make perfect eggs every time. All right, first let me show you how easy it is to make eggs. All you're going to do is use the little pin on the bottom of the cup to pierce the wide side of each egg. Fill up your egg cooker and then fill up your cup with the right amount of water for the number of eggs you have. Then you just pour the water right onto the heating plate, put the lid on, and turn the machine on. And then you just have to wait for the little chime and your eggs are done. Why do you pierce eggs? That's a great question. Have you noticed when you get your eggs home from the grocery store, they're always wide side up? That's because there's a little pocket of air in that side of the egg. When we use the pin to prick the eggs, it's going to do 3 things by releasing that air. 1, it's going to make the egg easier to peel. 2, it's going to prevent the egg from cracking under the heat. And 3, it will make it so you don't cook an egg with a flat side on the top. While these eggs are cooking, let me talk about the egg cup. Now, if you got a large egg cooker, it will come with a large egg cup. And if you read the side, you might be thinking, why does it take less water to cook more eggs? I know it's confusing, but it's physics which are confusing. Less eggs take up less space, which means there needs to be more steam to cook them. Make sense? Speaking of science, if you live at a high altitude, then water is going to boil at a lower temperature, which means you might need slightly more water to cook your eggs. My eggs are done. Now that they're finished cooking, I would suggest putting them in some cold water, which will stop the cooking so you get really yellow yolks. It's also going to make them slightly easier to peel. That's a perfect egg. And that's it.
Say goodbye to the hassle of shredding chicken with forks. The chicken shredder tool lets you shred chicken quickly and effortlessly. Just a few twists, and you've got perfectly shredded meat for tacos, sandwiches, or salads. Last but not least, the Zulay Kitchen Metal Lemon Squeezer. This handheld juicer gets every last drop out of your lemons, limes, or small oranges without seeds or pulp in your juice. Simple, efficient, and durable. And there you have it. 10 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier. Don't forget, you can find all the links to these gadgets in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and comment on which gadget you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.